Hey everybody, welcome to the channel Taking the Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, www. The Man Who Set Himself on Fire. We also have a PayPal donation link in the description of this video. Guys, as you can tell by the thumbnail, what just happened to YouTube? Man, that's crazy. For those of you who don't know, that's looking at the thumbnail wondering why I have this as my title, YouTube shut down for about 45 minutes to an hour. Literally, I didn't know what was going on. Now, during this process, guys, it got me to think about something. I'm going to share it with you at the end of the video, but I just want to show you guys what was going on in my mind when this happened. So when YouTube went down, guys, I immediately posted on Facebook. This 3 hours ago, I posted on Facebook, oh my God, YouTube is down. No, y'all pray for me. Now, the complex thing about it was that prior to me posting this, I was in Google Hangouts talking to the DST team. I was on Bo No's show. I was doing this interview right here, and this interview, as you can see, this interview is an hour and 37 minutes long, guys. We did this interview, and after the interview was done, we just chilled out in the hangouts and we talk amongst ourselves. And I was trying to go back and watch the playback, you know, because I wanted to see if I can catch some of the comments or whatever, some of the things that I might have missed. And I'm going to link this whole interview in the description of this video. So basically, we ended the live stream. We're in Google Hangouts. I'm on my cell phone trying to catch the replay of it, and it would not allow me to watch it. And I was like, man, I keep getting like this code error 503. So I'm asking those guys in the hangouts, man, what's going on? Y'all YouTube down too? I'm thinking I got copyright strikes, YouTube took my channel, everything. I'm freaking out. They was like, man, I can't get into my YouTube either. So I don't know what was going on. I don't know what's happening. YouTube have tons and tons of redundancies. So to get a 503 code, to get a server error, man, they just let me know that it had to be something. Three things, my theory, three things. One, they was updating their platform and it was unavoidable. They just absolutely had to shut down everything worldwide. But I don't know why they would do that, because they have so many redundancies. So that theory is not really a good theory. The second theory is that they probably was compromised. Somebody hacked them, got into the data, some type of worm or something, and the only way to stop the breach was to shut everything down. Or the third and most likely case, somebody just screwed up. I mean, I don't know what's going on, guys. I mean, you talking about a multi-billion-dollar company that have tons and tons of redundancies. They main thing, their main selling point to those that buy ads is their servers, that they have loads and loads of content on their servers. So that's no way possible YouTube should go down. Now, I mentioned early on, guys, that it got me thinking, because at any time, this is a great platform. At any time, this can be taken away from us. All of your content, if you're a YouTuber, all of your content, all of your hard work over the months, over the years, it can easily be taken away from us. And so a couple of weeks ago, I brought a 6 terabyte external hard drive, and I'm guilty of being loosey-goosey with my content. I go ahead and I edit it, and I throw it in this folder and I throw it here. Sometimes I delete one or two, and I got to think, I need to start archiving my videos. If YouTube ever kick me off of their platform due to any type of dispute, I still have my content. If something was to happen to YouTube, I can upload my content onto another platform. So guys, I don't know what happened to YouTube, but let this be a lesson. Start archiving your videos. Start creating your own redundancies. This just showed me that we can't depend on someone else. At the end of the day, we have to protect ourselves. So if YouTube go away today or tomorrow, what's going to happen to your content? What's going to happen to your hard work? Hey, it's your boy Taking the Bathroom. This has been my YouTube rant. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.